Hi, my name is Layla and I work in product management, and I'm going to show you how to use the preview feature. So if you have a stack of originals and maybe you accidentally scanned a blank page, or maybe if you scanned a page upside down, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So we'll place the originals into the document feeder. We'll select the email app. Then we'll select preview in the bottom right corner. Then we can see previews of all the pages we just scanned, and we see that the second page is a blank page. So in the bottom left corner, we'll select this icon and select the second blank page and select the trash icon to delete it. And then we can see that this page was scanned upside down, so we can select this button to rotate it to right side up. Once we are satisfied with how everything looks, we'll select Edit End. Then we'll be prompted to scan it to the email address, so we'll select the address button. We can use the retractable keyboard that comes on every Advanced Series model and type in the address. Once we have the address in, we'll select Start, and then we'll get confirmation that it was sent to that email, and that is how you use the preview feature.